Hey, this is Snipe Out Lash Girl Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We're going to do under eyes today. Yeah, look at them things. Yeah, really puffy. I live in Alabama, so allergies, heat. I mean, we get the gamut of everything that could possibly happen. And so my under eyes really do take a lot of abuse, I guess you would say. And I try so hard to, not make them so puffy. But I've got a new routine and I want to show you what I've been doing because it has been working for me. So come on with me. I want you to learn how to do it. Now, the first thing in the morning, before I ever even try to do anything with these under eyes, is I use my little ice roller. Oh, that feels so good. It really does help. And then we're going to put on some eye pads, and I'll leave them on until they absolutely dry. And the reason I do that is because it really does help putting them on right after you've done this right here. So, and you can see it's cold because my under eyes are turning red. Pinkish, I guess you would say. Okay, there you go. So, I'm going to use Younique's under eye patches. And I do this every single morning. And it does have a little spatula here with it. And then you can just take the lid off and there's all your golden goodness. And if you think, this girl crazy, well, sometimes I can be. Yeah, I'm from Alabama and I like to have fun. I enjoy. See, look. Oh, look at that. Okay, this is how you put them on real quick. I always take the inner corner here like that and place it. Oh my goodness, that feels so good because it's been in the, don't put it in the freezer. You may not be able to take them apart if you do that, but if you do put them in the refrigerator, and if you get the ones from, these are great, but there's a lot of different kinds. And if you go to Ulta, the Ulta has their own little brand. So there we go. Love these. Now, I have to just kind of walk around, go get me some coffee, something like that in the morning time. And then I leave these on until they feel completely dry, which is usually about 30 minutes for me. So, but I'm doing other stuff too at the same time. But you don't have to leave them on as long as that. 15 minutes would probably be a good way, a time too for that. So, okay, I'm going to relax for a few minutes and I'll be back. Okay, girlfriends, now I'm ready to take these off. I went ahead and did my eyeshadow and my mascara. So you can do that too if you're just kind of short on time and you need to get somewhere. Look at that. It's golden goodness. Now, what I love to do, I got to throw these away. You throw them away. And then I just usually take my fingers and just kind of press down. Oh, that feels so good. And now we're ready to apply our concealer. And this tip I want to show you is something I've done a long time ago, but I brought it back, but I added a little twist to it. So I think you're going to love it. The first thing I'm going to do is we're going to add some of this beauty oil. This is Younique's beauty oil, and I've been trying this, I don't know, for the last couple of weeks, and it really has made a difference in my under eye game. So you don't need much. Just put a little bit on your finger, take it, and just dab it across here. It's a serum, so it's going to absorb into your skin. It's not going to sit there. But this is the time when, go get you some coffee, sit down, relax. This is something that you will have to do in steps, especially if your under eyes are really bad and puffy like mine are in the morning. So it takes a while for me to get through my routine for my eyes. But this right here, I just started recently doing this, and it just makes such a big difference. Now, everything that I'm putting on, it does absorb into your skin. This serum that I just put on absorbs into your skin. I just love it. It makes it to where it's a perfect base for what we're going to do. Now, I am going to use my Aquaphor again. I went back to this. This is something I used a long time ago. So we're going to use a little bit of this. We also are going to use e.l.f. a putty primer. Yes, we are. We're going to use that. We're going to mix these together. And you're just going to be like, what? All right, so I'm going to put some of this, the Aquaphor, on the back of my hand. You don't need a whole lot, just a little bit. It's clear so you can't see it. And I'm going to take my little spatula, and we're going to take some of this putty primer. You can see I do use this. And I just take a little bit through here, get it on there, and then I mix it with the Aquaphor. Now, the Aquaphor is a lip product. And on here it says, yeah, it's a lip repair. It works, though. Look at this. I know you're going, what? Yes. So this is what we're going to put on now. And it's going to go right over where I put that serum. So this is going to make your under eyes very plump. And you know, it's what we're missing. The dryness is what really makes it so hard for us. Because as our skin dries out, it wrinkles. Yay. Wonderful, huh? Yeah. That's what I said. Oh my goodness. The things we have to do in life. But if you're really struggling with your under eyes, just try this. I know it sounds crazy, but it is a time consuming kind of thing, I know. But you don't have to do this every day. I usually only do it when I'm really, really puffy. And I don't know, it depends on maybe what your diet is, what you drank the night before, you know, that kind of thing. So be mindful of just make sure you hydrate. I drink a lot of water. This whole thing right here is full of my vitamin water. So that's what I usually drink during the day. And just keep that in mind so that you can stay hydrated. And that's really the most important thing. Now, this does absorb. All of it absorbs. It's not going to sit on top of your skin. It's actually going to help it to plump up. So, and get it ready for when I put the concealer on, it's going to be so pretty. Okay, so these are the two products we're going to use. I love this. This is Dermatology. Love this. It's a color corrector, but you can definitely use it if you want to just by itself for correcting anything under your eyes. And this one here is Estee Lauder Double Wear. Love this one. I think this one is in 1N, I believe. And this one is 080 number. SPF of 41 too. That's a good thing. Yay! So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a little bit of this because this is what helps my bags under here. Really does. This is almost like a little peachy color. See how it comes out? See, just a little bit came out. And I'm just going to kind of pop that right there where I think I need that color correcting. And maybe right here and right here. Because that's really basically where it kind of puffs up. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this one. And this one has, the only thing about this, it has a big doe foot. And so just be sparingly with it. Put some here, some there. And you see I'm not putting a whole lot. And I'm just going to put some here and some here. Okay? That's basically all I'm going to do. I have a little bit more there. And we're going to use a brush for this. You can use your fingers if you want to. I'm going to use Angie's A506 brush. It's by BK Beauty. It's a great, great brush. And the thing about this is your under eyes are now very, very hydrated. So it's much easier to apply this product or products. So what I do is do that, and then I take my finger and I go right over it and just bounce. Because if you're like me, I have a lot of wrinkles like right here. And when I pull that out, you know, I can see that product does sit in those lines. So the whole point of what I'm doing is trying not to let them settle into that. And this is very brightening. Oh my goodness, that looks good. Let's do this side. We got two sides. I just poked myself in the eye. I hope I'm a comic relief for you guys. Poking myself in the eye. Oh goodness. I'm real good at that. Let me just say, let me wipe this brush off because I want to use the brush a little bit more. Oh my. Time gets away, doesn't it? When you think about it. How did I get to this age? Yeah. You know, I'm happy to be here. I've been through a lot of things that I could have easily just gone, you know? It could have been worse. But my under eyes, oh, they're so much better. Now, this is basically all I do. And what I'm going to do now is just leave it alone. Leave it alone and let it settle just a few minutes. Like drink some coffee or something. Because what you want to do is come back. And I'm not going to say you're not going to have anything settling. It just depends on how many wrinkles you have, how deep they are. But you want to let it settle first before you come back and try to take away anything. Because you can use either, you can use like a tissue to remove what you don't need. Or you could take a brush like this and just kind of brush through and get rid of those little things that are settling in those little lines that we have underneath. So I'm going to let this kind of settle. It doesn't take long. I love how this feels. Everything, it feels, it dries very quickly. So, but you still have that nice little glow. That's what I love about it. Taking this brush again, and I'm just going to do like this. Turn it on its edge. And you can just kind of brush through it. Don't pull it or anything. Just bring it out just a little bit, because that's where my little settling happens. It's not very much though. When I'm using this technique, it just seems so much better. And things don't settle quite as much. That looks really good. Now, I still have bags, girlfriend. I'm 62. I'm going to have bags. But they're not as prominent. And so what I love is this Tarte Pink loose powder. And we're going to take a moist beauty blender. I'm going to dip it down into it like that. Now, you don't have to do this. You can use just a brush if you want to. I just love the way this looks. And I like to push it into the beauty blender a little bit. And then I just press across it because pink is brightening. Now, you can use whatever one you love. But this one is my favorite. It is my favorite, and I just love the way it looks once you pair it with the beauty blender, pushing it into the skin. It really does soften it, and pink brings things. It's just light. I love it. I absolutely love using it. Okay, let me see. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay, girlfriends. I hope you have learned something. I hope you try this out. Don't give up on your under eyes. There are so many different things out there. And once you get this down, it's really quick. I can get it done pretty quickly. But me talking you through it, it takes a little bit. So I love y'all hanging out with me. So please like and share and click that notification bell. I'm here on Sundays only. And I love it when you come and hang out. Okay. And hopefully I bring you something of value each time I pop on here. Or at least make you laugh just a little bit, right? All right. I will see y'all next week. Have a fabulous week ahead. See you later.